Now we want to see how to change the line spacing on your document. Often when you're typing a text, you want it to be double spaced if you're doing a formal paper. You also are going to want to decide about spacing between paragraphs. So let's see how we can change the line spacing. Again, I'm going to select the text. Now, line spacing, if you look up here under paragraph, you see there's a little thing here that has a bunch of lines with arrows beside it. That shows you that's going to change the spacing between lines. So we'll pull that down, and you have options. 1 single space, 1.15, 1.5 space. 2.0 is your double spacing. Okay, and that's what is standard if you're doing a formal document. So we'll set that at 2.0. Okay, you notice I now have automatically double spaced. Now, we also want to set space between paragraphs. In this sample text, I have an extra space, an extra line between the paragraphs, and I'm going to get rid of that just to show you what happens here. So we have these two paragraphs, and I'm going to go back here to my paragraph, to my spacing, my line spacing. Notice here it says add space before a paragraph or remove space after paragraph. You might want to add an extra space between paragraphs. Sometimes you do that. Typically in formal research papers you're not going to have that, so you'll want to remove the space after the paragraph. But that's how you can set your line spacing, both the double spacing here and the space between paragraphs.